Hi, I'm Kaylee Thorne, and this is my presentation on my ad design. I chose an ad from The Guardian, which is a British newspaper, and I just really liked the simple look of their design, and I thought that the elements would be a fun challenge to recreate on my own ad. So let's first take a look at the original ad and analyze the design elements that they used. So the first thing that really stands out to me is the colors that they use. They have kind of this muted navy blue in the background, and then there's these bright solid colors in the chart. There's no patterns or gradients really throughout this design. It's just very simple solid fills. Also, I noticed that the color of the text matches the color of its section within the chart as well as the boxes. And something that's interesting is that they use center alignment, which is something we usually don't do, but they contrast it well with the left alignment of the text down here, and I think it balances really well with the logo up here in the top right hand corner. And then, of course, the information at the bottom is just along the edges, so it makes for a very visually clean alignment. As far as typography goes, there is one font throughout the entire design, which is just keeps it very consistent and very easy to understand. So you can see the logo, and then the labels right here, and the information at the bottom is all using this old-style simple font. Also, obviously they used a chart as the main subject of their design, and it's the first thing you see, and then your eye is led down to the labels here at the bottom. And then that would kind of prompt the question, what is this ad for? And so you proceed down to the information at the bottom. All right, so now I'm going to explain the ad that I created and explain how I used the design choices that I did. So I decided to stick with the original ad's typography choices and use one font for the logo, for the text, and for the information at the bottom. So I chose an old style font that was similar, if not identical, to the one in the previous ad. Of course, I wanted to use a chart to illustrate a point, and I really liked the look of the Venn diagram one. I also used only solid colors, and I matched the color scheme of the original ad, so they're all the same and they're consistent. And the text is the same color as the circle that is inside. So again, I wanted to be consistent with the original ad. And I think that this ad is consistent with the previous ad. I think they were put in the same campaign because of the contrast and the typography and the alignment and the other design elements that I mentioned. Thank you.